When we say limit in calculus, we know that we talk about a value approaching another value. So let's say x tends to 0, let's say x tends to alpha, function of x. That means what is the value of function of x when x is approaching alpha? It's not quite alpha, but it is approaching alpha. But sometimes we will see another notification which looks like this: x is approaching alpha plus, or fx, or we will see if x is approaching alpha minus. So what do they mean? That means is this one is approaching from the right, x is approaching alpha from the right, and this one is x is approaching, this one x is approaching from the left. So basically if we have something like this, we have a function, we want to say when this is let's say this is alpha. So when this is coming close to alpha, x is coming close to alpha from this side, that is x alpha minus, and when it is coming from this side, this is x alpha plus. I will demonstrate it with an example. So let me start with, let's say fx is x when x is less than 2, fx is 3 when x is greater than 2 and less than 3, and this is x square when x is greater than 3. So this is of course a discontinuous function, as we can see, because at 2 there is a discontinuity, at 3 there is a discontinuity. So that's how it is. Now if we draw this function, it will look like this. So this is a straight line here, this one, the blue one, and that is x, f is equal to x, and we can see that there is a discontinuity here. This will, I have this actually there is a discontinuity at 2. It's probably not noticeable from the diagram, but there is a discontinuity here, and again there is a discontinuity at 3. And we can see that here, if we say limit x is, if we go here and we say that limit x tends to 2 minus, what's the value, which one we will take? So we will of course take this one, because this is from the left. So this one here, function of x will be, if we want to find it, which one we will choose? We will choose the one that is, which is the first one, that means this one, because this is on the left. So that will be x here. So of course this one value will be 2, approaching 2 of course. And if we say f limit x 2 plus, then we will have to choose the next one, which is of course 3, fx is equal to 3, so that value is 3. Similarly, if we say limit fx 3 minus, that will, we have to choose this one, and if we say 3 plus, we will have to choose this one. So if we want to find limit, let's say x tends to 3 plus fx, we will do this one, limit x tends to 3 plus, and we have to choose here x square because it's from the right, so that will become 9 here. And if it were x, limit x tends to 3 minus fx, then we would have to choose the intermediate, the middle one, which is of course this one, because this is minus, so that would be 3. So that would be the value. So this is how we should use the 3 plus alpha minus, like that.